Welcome to this beautifully maintained home where you can enjoy small-town living in the heart of Oregon wine country. It's situated in a tranquil setting in the desirable Morgan's Vineyard subdivision. Heading inside this more than 3,700 square foot home, you'll discover a light and bright interior with 2 separate living spaces and vaulted ceilings. The formal dining room opens to the Butlers Pantry and the Gourmet Kitchen with an island, breakfast bar seating, and a food storage pantry. The family room has a cozy gas fireplace. French doors lead to the main floor office. On the upper level, a large bonus room is ready for any number of uses, from a game room to a man cave. Double doors open to the spacious master suite. The master bath features a dual sink vanity, a jetted tub, a separate shower, and a walk-in closet. You'll find 3 additional bedrooms on this upper floor, along with another full bath. The patio is ready for outdoor barbecues in your fully fenced backyard. The 4-car garage has 1 double-deep bay for a 4th car or workshop. You can also enjoy the community clubhouse with a swimming pool or visit the local wineries and restaurants nearby. A beautiful home offering small-town charm. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Pam Cawley with Premier Property Group at 503-750-3332.